Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to sharing one of my favorite tempe recipes from Java called botok tempe. So this is basically fresh grated coconut mixed with tempe, shallot, garlic and chilies. And it's best to serve with rice. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use later. And here I have, of course, tempe or fermented soybean. And for the chilies, later I'm using 3 different kind of chilies: big red chilies, Bali hot pepper, and small green chilies. If you don't like spicy, you can skip this one. Here I have some shallot, garlic and candle nut, some fresh grated coconut, salted white beet, or in Indonesia we call it teri nasi or teri Medan, lemon basil, salam leaves, mushroom boyong powder, salt, brown sugar and white sugar, and some fresh water. So now I'm going to prepare the steamer first because we're going to steam the botok. While we're waiting the steamer ready, let's cut the tempe. I cut the tempe into small pieces. Let's put it in the bowl. Now I slice the chili into the diagonal pieces. Next, let's prepare the white paste. I'm sorry, just now I forgot to introduce that I'm going also to add some white peppercorn. So we're going to blend the shallot, garlic, candle nut and white peppercorn. First I will cut into small pieces. So let's add to the blender. And some water. Blend it until smooth. Add to the bowl along with fresh grated coconut, boyong powder, salt, sugar, brown and white, mix well. So I already mixed well the coconut and tempe. So now I'm going to put it into the banana leaves. So here is how I put it. So take one big banana leaf and add a small one. Then I add salam leaf, some mixed botok, tempe. You can make it as small or as big as you wish. If you also like to add another salam leaf on the top, that is fine too. Squeeze, fold, squeeze, fold. Now I have a long banana leaf here, then secure with thin bamboo stick. Here we go. And now the steamer is ready. I'm going to add the botox and simmer it for 45 minutes. See you in 45 minutes. So it's been 45 minutes. Let's plate it. I turn off the cooker first. Already smells so good. Now let's open this one. Look at this. This is really perfect with rice. So here we are, botok tempe. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. And also I put my email address in the description below. I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema, happy cooking. Bye bye.